Welcome to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change the email address on Webtoon. Now let's begin. Do note that in order to do so, you guys need to have signed up using the email address. Now let's simply look at how to change it. At the bottom right, you can see these three dots or this button called as More. Click on it and this is it. From here, all you guys need to do is go to settings. Right next to search, you can see the settings tab. Click on it. Now the very first thing that you're gonna see is your email address. Click on it. Now this option right here states change email address, the thing we're looking for. So click on it right now. Once you guys do that, all you need to do is enter your password right here, and along with that, simply enter your new email address. And once it's done, click on this button called as change email address. Once you do that, you will receive a verification email on the registered new email address. Once you do that, simply click on it, and as such, your email address will be changed on Webtoon. Well guys, that is it. That's how we changed the email address on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember, hit like, share and definitely subscribe. Until next time, thank you.